These are the production, well, not even samples, the production models of the upcoming L-type sheep wagons. G'day everyone, today we have something really exciting from local manufacturer OnTrack Models. These are the production, well, not even samples, the production models of the upcoming L-type sheep wagons for a bit of an in-depth look. These are shaping up to be a fantastic addition to any Victorian-era modeler. As of filming this, they're expected to land in stores in the coming weeks, but depending on when you're watching this, they might already be available. Now, I've got two of the upcoming packs here with me, and these are LSV10 and LSV5. And these two are great because they showcase the different roof types that we used on the real wagons. And just a bit of background, 1,432 of these L sheep wagons were built for the Victorian railways between 1896 and 1953, and most of them had gable-style roofs, which you'll notice on some of these models. But the final 180 wagons rolled out featured curved roof design. So it's pretty cool that OnTrack Models have featured both of these variations in this upcoming release. These wagons were a real backbone of the Victorian Railways livestock fleet. They were vital in moving sheep from all over the state, making full use of the broad gauge network. So if you're modelling anything from the mid-20th century through to the early 80s, these wagons are going to feel right at home on your layout. OnTrack is releasing a total of 10 different packs with each of these containing 6 wagons. And the liveries and details vary across the packs, covering different decades from the 1950s to the 1980s. And it's a great way to mix and match a bit of variety if you're aiming for a specific era. Now let's get into these models themselves. With first impressions, these wagons are superb. They're solidly built, with no loose or missing parts, straight out of the box, which is definitely a good sign. The standout feature has to be the detail on the cages. Both the interior and exterior detail is beautifully done, with fine, accurate construction that really makes them pop. They've also got full brake rigging and detail underneath, and despite being small wagons, they've got a really satisfying weight to them. And I put these through their paces on the Amara Victoria Club layout down at Glen Iris, and they rolled incredibly smoothly. No resistance and no derailments. And when you put a few together in a block train formation, they look absolutely fantastic. Paint and finish are on point too. These wagons are painted in VR Wagon Red with an off-white interior. And the letter is pad printed clearly and sharply. And you can clearly read the wagon codes and numbers with no smudging or blurring. Now a cool little bonus for those who like to customise, the wagons only come with doors fitted to one side, which means if you are planning to add sheep, you've got some flexibility. OnTrack recommends around 28 sheep per wagon for a full load, but you can obviously play around with the numbers depending on the look you're going for. Installing the sheep and additional doors is pretty straightforward. I used Deluxe Materials glue and glaze for the job, which worked a treat. And that glue is great because it holds well, but is also reversible so you can pop the doors back off later if needed. I also used a pair of the 9-step tweezers, which made positioning everything a lot easier. And I'm definitely recommending picking up these if you are doing work like these. All of this is of course available on our website or in store. So all in all, this is another top tier release from OnTrack Models, and they've clearly put a lot of thought and care into these wagons. And I think they're going to be hugely popular with Victorian modelers. And actually, they already are. A lot of these packs have already sold out before they've even hit the shelves, which says a lot about the demand. Price-wise, you're looking at $390 for a 6-wagon pack, and $30 for a 30-pack of sheep. So not bad at all for the quality and detail you're getting here. So if you're modelling Victorian railways, especially in the mid-20th century, these L sheep wagons are a must-have. And keep an eye out on our website, or you can order directly if you want to grab a set before they disappear. So let us know in the comments if you're planning on getting one or maybe all of the packs of these wagons. And of course, if you are wanting to look at little sneak peeks like this, don't forget to be subscribed so you can keep up to date with all the model railway things that we've got coming at Hearns Hobbies. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Hooroo!